Hi John sir, wish you many happy returns of the day. Wish you many more candles to blow. Thanks for making my childhood so special. Wish you very happy birthday. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear sir. Happy birthday to you. Wish you a very happy birthday, sir. May God bless you with all the happiness and success in your life. Always be happy, keep smiling, stay blessed, stay healthy. God bless you, sir. Love you. Happy birthday once again.
Hi John sir.
Hi Johnson.
Many happy returns of the day.
returns of the day.
Happy birthday, John. So,
I wish you a fulfilling life and many more years of joy, success as you spread your knowledge. Happy birthday to my favorite John sir and mentor. Thank you for inspiring me to never stop learning. I am extremely blessed to have you as my teacher and my guide. You have never left me alone. Thank you, John sir.
Hey John sir, wishing you a happy 50th birthday. It's too soon to call you a 50-year-old, but you're still doing great. Hope to see you soon.
Hi John sir, this is Janvi. Many happy returns of the day to you. May God bless you. May your dreams come true. Have a nice day, sir.
Happy birthday John sir.
We really miss you a lot.
JCC Jindabad.
Many happy returns of the day, John sir. God bless you abundantly on your 50th birthday. I wish you a great life ahead with good health, and all your wishes may come true, whatever you have expected us. And I wish you a very happy birthday on this special day. This is just a short virtual wishing. I hope we would be in presence to wish you, but it is not possible due to this current pandemic. You have been the most understanding, most merry, most happiest tutor I have ever had. Your family has been a great support to us, the one who has nurtured and inculcated good values in us with being a great life guide for us. And I'm thankful to you, to Densi Di and Emily Di, for whatever we are today. It is all because of your love and hard work and your care you have given us. And I'm so much grateful to God that you have been the most loveliest part of my life. The time I spent with you all was the loveliest. I'm not good at words, I'm not good at expressing things, but I hope this would be the best birthday you had ever.
Many happy returns of the day, sir. May God bless you. Stay healthy, stay fit, stay safe.
Many happy returns of the day, sir. Happy birthday. May God bless you. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Happy birthday John sir. Many happy returns of the day. Be safe, be happy.
Happy birthday to you, sir. Enjoy your day. Keep smiling. We miss you. Take care.
Hi, this is Vedant and I wish you a very happy birthday, John sir. Well, this video isn't enough to express the whole feeling, but I just want to say at this moment that it's such a blessing that I got a teacher like you in my life. You taught us many things and there are a million things from you to learn. I'm thankful to God. I'm really grateful to you. God bless you. You're a pure legend. Love you, sir. Happy birthday.
Hello sir, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. May the sunshine of your knowledge spreading happiness on our future faces. Stay younger, live longer. Enjoy sir.
hi, sir. Very happy birthday, sir. Many more happy returns of the day, sir. May God bless you with many lots of happiness and health.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear John sir. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sir. I really miss you a lot, and thank you for all the guidance that you gave us during our initial stages of studies. I really appreciate all the efforts that you took during our studies. I miss you so much, sir. So much. Love you.
you a very happy birthday, sir. Stay healthy, stay smiling always, sir. Happy birthday.
Wish you a many happy returns of the day, sir. May God bless you. Keep smiling always. Stay healthy. Be happy. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Happy birthday, John sir. Sending you the best wishes for your health, success and good fortune. Enjoy your special day and party hard. See you soon, sir.
Hello John sir, Shiva here. Hope you remember me. Many happy returns of the day. Have a great day ahead. Stay healthy, stay fit.
ஹலோ ஜான் சார், இனிய 50வது பிறந்தநாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். உங்கள் வாழ்வில் அத்தனை வளங்களையும் நலன்களையும் பெற்று மன நிறைவுடன் வாழ வாழ்த்துகிறேன். அன்புடன் முபாரிஸ்.
Hi sir, happy birthday. Lots of love and I really miss you. The lessons that I learned from you, I still go to a couple of my friends that these are the lessons which I learned in my early schooling, and thank you so much for your blessings which really turned out to be really well. Thanks for giving me those life principles which at an early age which are now giving me a lot of value and building that value system at an early age. Thank you so much for being so available and so focused. I still remember when I was there, I was among the top 4 and always had your and Dini's attention towards that learnings or preachings that you used to give us, or that extra mile that you used to go for us. Thank you so much, because that has given me a sort of a push till now that I was among the top 4 earlier and I have to be in my top 4 now as well. So thank you so much.
Wish you very happy Janamdin, sir. I wish you get ounce of happiness in your life. Stay happy, stay blessed. Lots of love.
Hello, wish you many happy returns of the day, John sir. We all miss you and JC. Take care, enjoy your day. Bye bye.
हाय जॉन सर, शायद आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं कौन हूँ. एक मिनट, ओके अभी इसके बिना चलता नहीं है ना. दिस इज विष्णु फ्रॉम केरला, अब बोईसर नहीं. सो विश यू many happy returns of the day. Stay safe, stay at home.
Wish you a happy 50th birthday, John sir. May God bless you with all the happiness and good health.
Happy birthday, John sir. Sir, you're the true inspiration to many of us. You have taught us not only the textual material, but the lessons, the real life lessons that you used to share with us has really made us the person which we are now. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful to you. Thank you so much, sir. And once again, happy birthday to one of the best teacher in my life.
Happy birthday, John sir.
Happy birthday, John sir.
Happy birthday, John sir.
Happy birthday, John sir.
Hi sir, how are you? Wish you many more happy returns of the day, and thank you Calvin for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Happy birthday, John sir. I hope you're fine and have a great year.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, sir. Happy birthday, John sir.
Many happy returns of the day, John sir. Stay healthy and stay safe.
Many happy returns of the day, John sir. Stay healthy and stay safe.
Happy birthday, John sir. Stay healthy, stay safe.
Happy birthday, John sir. Stay healthy, stay safe. Many happy returns of the day, John sir. Stay healthy and stay safe.
Many happy returns of the day, John sir. Stay healthy and stay safe.
Happy birthday, John sir. Wish you a happy and healthy life ahead.
Hi sir, wish you many happy returns of the day.
Many happy returns of the day, John sir.
Hi John sir, wishing you a very happy birthday. Stay safe and have a blessed year ahead.
Many happy returns of the day, John sir. I wish you a great and a prosperous life. May God bless you. Thank you for teaching us.
Wish you a many happy returns of the day, sir. Thank you so much for always helping me and guiding me. And because of you, JC is more like a family to us than just a class. and thank you for always being there. May your year be joyous and happy. Bye.
Happy birthday, John sir. May all your wishes come true and have a great future ahead.
Wish you a many happy returns of the day, John sir. You and Miss have always supported me and guided me in the studies and career. So I wish you a happy life and stay blessed. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Wishing you a many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with good health. Stay home, stay safe.
Happy birthday, John sir. May God bless you and thank you for everything.
Hi, sir. Many happy returns of the day. Have a great year ahead, and thank you so much for always supporting all your students and helping us through everything. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, John sir.
Happiest birthday, sir. God bless you. आपका के बेस्ट हो. आपने मेरे लिए बहुत कुछ किया है. स्टडी, मार, केयर, लव सब कुछ दिया हमें. आपने हमें बहुत सपोर्ट किया. आपने हम अभी भी आपको बहुत याद करते हैं. उषा और मैं हम बात करते हैं, फोटोज़ देखते पहले की मेमोरीज. और आप वर्ल्ड के बेस्ट सर हो. बेस्ट लाइक फादर एंड मदर मिस्टर सर. Happiest birthday, sir. God bless you. Stay happy forever. आप जियो हज़ारों साल and take care, sir.
So, happiest birthday. I pray to God that you be blessed with all the happiness and success in your life because you are the bestest person. As a teacher, आपने हमेशा हमें best education provide किया है. हमेशा हमारे साथ क्लियर किए हैं. आपको जब भी हमारे साथ स्ट्रिक्टली बिहेव करना था आपने किया. आपने हमें प्यार से समझाया, प्यार से पढ़ाया. एंड ऑल्सो यू हैव लव्ड अस लाइक योर ओन चाइल्ड. आपने हमारी बहुत केयर की है. आप जब भी किसी की तबीयत ठीक नहीं होती थी तो आप मेडिसिन देते थे. अगर मैं कब घर जाने के लिए पैसे लाना भूल जाती थी तो आप 20 की जगह 50 रुपीज़ दे देते थे. तो मैं बोलती थी सर नहीं एक्स्ट्रा है, तो आप बोलते थे रख लो बेटा काम आ गया. तो ये भी बहुत प्रेयर किया है और मैं जितना बोलूँ उतना कम है. जस्ट ब्लेस्ड टू गेट टीचिंग फ्रॉम यू. Thank you, sir, from each and everything you have done for us. We love you, sir. And once again, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you. Have a nice day and have a great year ahead.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, sir. May God bless you with lots of love and happiness.
Happy 50th birthday, John sir. Thank you for always being there for me when I need you. Thank you very much. Like that only always be there for me, please. Thank you.
Happy birthday, sir.
Good morning, sir. Sir, आप तो मेरे को पहचानते ही होगे. So, many happy returns of the day, sir. मैं आपके लिए जितना बोलूँ सर उतना कम है, क्योंकि मैं कहाँ था और मैं कहाँ आ चुका हूँ आज. सब लोगों को यकीन नहीं हो रहा मैं 50s का बंदा आज 70s में आगे खड़ा हूँ. बट सर आपके क्लासेस में आया, आपने पढ़ाया, इतना कुछ किया तो जाके.
Happy birthday, sir. May God bless you. Always keep smiling and stay healthy.
Happy birthday, John sir.
हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूँ कैल्विन जॉन. आप देख रहे थे कल अनबॉक्सर. सो हेलो डैड, विश यू अ हैप्पी 50th बर्थडे. लगता नहीं है दैट यू हैव बीन टर्निंग 50 टुनाइट. एक्चुअली आई डोंट नो व्हेन यू विल बी सीइंग दिस वीडियो. सो लाइक ये वीडियो बनाने के लिए इट ऑलमोस्ट टुक 1 month फॉर मी. A lot of hard work to be precise, because for collecting so much of videos from so many students, getting in touch with them, yeah, it took a pretty long time for me. Then few students have not been sending their videos, I don't know why, but then too, whoever has sent this video, thanks for making this occasion more special, to be precise. And yeah, we all love you, dad, and yeah, we all know that आप सबके favorite sir हो, because you have been guiding us, you have been teaching us each and everything. Rather than the textual method, you have been teaching us how to live a practical life and many more things. So I hope you like this video, and thanks to all the JCC once again for sharing their videos. And yeah, I'll take a leave.